One of the larger areas that we've been working in recently is in food logistics, and organisations operating in that marketplace, they have some really specific problems with their paperwork. First of all, they're holding stock on behalf of the food manufacturers. Then these hauliers, these logistics companies, are transferring that stock to the retailers, typically the big four supermarkets, and they are custodians of those goods. In order that our customer's customer, the manufacturer of the food, can actually get paid, they need to have evidence of those deliveries when that took place. And it creates some really specific problems, because what happens in that process is that the logistics company will create their delivery paperwork and they will do their delivery process. But the retailer, because of terms and conditions and their processes, they're going to say, okay, thanks for bringing your delivery note, but we're going to issue our GRN, our goods received note. So there's a real paper chase and paper trail created here. Now, the logistics company, they're going to be custodians of that paperwork and getting some paperwork that they didn't create back to their customer to allow that customer to raise invoices. The faster they do it, the quicker the cash flow takes place. So we've created systems which allow us to capture paper of unknown origin, which is always the hardest stuff to capture and digitise, interpret and correctly file away. We allow customers to do that in their driver debrief process, as it's called, quickly and efficiently to get the driver back on the road and get them working again. But we also create system portals which allow that information to be passed to the food manufacturer really quickly, really efficiently. And further from the documents that are returned physically with the driver, supermarkets are increasingly, they're starting to send digital information back to the logistics sector, back to the hauliers. And that information, it's the same piece of information, but it's just being delivered in a different channel. That needs to be integrated into the process so it's handled in a consistent fashion. And bearing in mind that different depots for different supermarkets or for the same supermarket will actually handle paperwork in a slightly different way. So our system allows you to stream those electronic documents into your workflow process alongside the paper documents, and everything then is processed in a consistent fashion.